Our power tools are designed for top-notch performance.
Wow, so it's here. It's finally freaking here, and I'm excited to open it. So this, I've been waiting for like 2 weeks to get this thing. It's a freaking electronic screwdriver. I want to open it. It's from Fanttik. I'm not one to like promote products, but I thought it was pretty cool. I was a little skeptical because I'm typically like the kind of guy that likes to buy Milwaukee and all that stuff. You obviously know that. And this, again, is not a promo or anything like that. I'm not getting paid by Fanttik for this video. Go ahead and dive right in and get it opened up with my dad's hunting knife. Sweet. Oh, that's weird. Okay. So I guess it opens up from the top. Alright, I was kind of looking for like a side piece. That's the way it looks. This side up. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got a whole bunch of different bits in here, which is pretty awesome. One thing that I do not like though is look at this. These things come out like very easy, the little attachments. I don't like that. It also comes with this little charging cable and a little booklet, and for real men don't read instructions, that's a bunch of horse shit. I'd like to know how long the battery life actually lasts on this, so maybe I'll make a separate video later on to see how long this lasts, so that way you'll know. I want to test this thing out, so I picked the pH one just for testing purposes, and I'm going to turn this sucker on 1, and I got to take a bunch of these things out because half you know this already, but I do HVAC work, and I need to get this control board out of here, and there's another control board that is stuck inside of there with a capacitor, and I can't get to it, but there are little screws, so we're going to try and take them apart. Let's see what happens. I'll try to take the box off first. This is on 1. Well, I don't like that. 1 doesn't have enough power to take that off, so let's see. Maybe if I try a bigger bit. I don't know. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. Let's try a bigger bit and see. I mean, there's some bigger bits here. I mean, these are bigger screws, I guess, but I'm not a fan of this right now. Look at that. Holy hell. Well, it's not even coming out. Let's try it on this control board now. Oh, well, that took it out. And it's a magnetic little thing there, as you can see. That's cool. Okay. One more. Cool. All right. So it comes out. That's nice. All right. Now I got my control board. I guess that's helpful and useful. Well, let's see if it goes in better than it did before, because, I mean, coming out on that control box, that should have come out. So let's just see. I mean, it's magnetic. We do. Holy cow, dude. That's insane. Even that's not working right. Hey, hey. All right, well, let's just put it in there. It goes in, and I mean, it's pretty tight in there. I mean, the screws go right back in. And it does have some power, but that's on 3. In conclusion, I was able to get the box opened, see, but it took a little bit of manpower I had to use to kind of twist it like that. So I don't think that I like this, and for $69.99 is what the price of this thing is. Fanttik, you better do a better job. I mean, the construction of it, it's durable, but there's no power to the engine, you know. And that's a damn shame, because I was really excited about this product. But, I mean, if you had, like, light stuff around the house, this could be a good tool for you or something. But, I mean, I don't think so. I mean, it's got different bits and all that. But even that, like, look, they come out so easy. It's ridiculous. And the magnetic piece doesn't really work that well. I'm pretty sure that I got taken for a ride. It's your choice if you want to give it a try or not, but I sure as hell would write a nasty letter saying this is junk. So there you go. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell, I really could use the support on this stuff. I'm coming up in a series where I'm going to be doing some hacks that I see on the internet all the time. I want to try some things out. The next one that I'm going to do involves a nail and a drill bit. So if you want to see that stuff and more content like this, I'd really appreciate having you around. So we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.